Okay, so we've removed the DOS. You can see the oil there. This gate motor is not gonna run with oil in there. Okay, cool. Seems like oil has been filled into the wrong slot there. Oil has been filled into the wrong slot, and that's why this gate motor is not working. Okay, right. That's your DOS. There you can see the oil on it. You've got two slots in this plastic holder. Just gonna blow it out so I can show you. So even if your DOS is being cleaned out, these slots need to be open. There, you just blow it out. There you can see that the slot is now open. Obviously we need to clean it further. There's the other slot. You can see all of the oil. Yeah, it's not gonna run. Now, just to give you guys a wide angle view, and we've removed the 4 screws. You can already see all of the oil that's coming out of the gate motor. So yeah, putting in oil in the wrong space, it's not gonna work. So this is not what you wanted, but accidents do happen. You're not gonna judge anyone about it. If you want it running, give us a call. Sorry for the up and down videos and getting stuff. For those who want to know, any Centurion D3, D5 Evo sliding gate motor is a oil cap. That is where you fill in the gearbox oil. To get it out, you just place a screwdriver underneath it, pop it out. Let's quickly have a look here. So if you look on that, there's already enough oil in it. So even though the front has been loosened, the dipstick shows that there's enough oil in the gearbox still. So again, small things.